不帮那个你就是在吃过。
Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon ครับ
Good afternoon, คุณสุชาติ
ครับ I try to gather all the designer and
Okay, we're still waiting for them, yeah?
As soon we almost have all the valuable designer on this call. Shall we start?
Yes.
First of all, P49 had some delay to join this call. Maybe in another 10 minutes they will come in.
Okay.
So this design meeting on number 7, we will try to give you all the current status of the site innovation and issue that we facing during this work. So in case that you have any suggestion on the last minute of meeting, please raise. Otherwise, we will assume it will be acceptable. All right. So we go ahead to issue 3, design issue. In previous meeting, we have just informed you that we have issued the CAD file to all parties, including the latest one is about the building C and building D that we issue to you all and with the welcome lobby. That's the latest one that we got from STS survey. The other area is on process, especially the total site that I let STS to connect all piece by piece to be in one master plan to let our designer or operator can understand where we are. On next issue. Now we are proceeding on the building C, and most of the work currently is demolition for the existing ceiling, existing pipe, and some part of the piling. We had P49 to visit on site and make the conclusion of the design into the reality with the distance measuring on site and some adjustment to P49 to revise their detailed design. And also we got BRIC join on Zoom and make decision on their presentation of the lighting design involved with the walk-up room that P49 had incorporated into their design. Other issue is about the process on the mock-up room that we expect to be ready for Accord team and designer to take a look and make decision to proceed on the overall building C with the same design that we are under preparation. This one is the goal for complete building C and handover during we have the high season in end of this year.
Khun Suchat, for the mock-up room, wing C, you indicate end of 2023. Is there any month or completion?
For the building C, that we have target to complete by end of this year too, and currently we try to accelerate the mock-up room to make it start finishing on site. Now the material already been ordered and on site. We had waiting for P49 to make conclusion in their detail to let us proceed the detail of the construction of the mock-up room.
Okay, because you already early October, so you only have 2.5 months left for the mock-up room.
Actually, it's not 2 months; it's only 1 month. Because we expect November we can see and make decision on the mock-up room.
Okay, so Khun Suchat, can you update me? When you are doing your fit out, I will drop by. I want to see your fit out along the way before the whole completion. So you will let me know when the contractor move in, when you start the fit out work. You let me know, all right? And then I will drop by to visit the room.
Next issue is about the main equipment renovation. Now currently we had overhaul one generator on building A. The next generator on building B and onward under preparation for the cost comparison. That Meet already gave us the specification. The question is about the power supply during the blackout. When we have the electric issue in the project in the hotel, we expect to have the load from Triad about the equipment that need electricity during the emergency. That workload is under consideration, and Meet can use the total to check that what the sizing of the generator that we need. Triad already informed me that we had only building A under their estimation for the emergency load. The other area is not in process to give us the sizing of the emergency load currently. Do you have any new information? Please ได้ยินไหมครับ
Try out, huh?
Yes.
Hi, Triad, Khun Suri, right?
Yes. I'm speaking.
Yeah, I think Khun Suchat is asking the question. Your kitchen equipment, what is to tap onto the generator, like essential and non-essential?
คุณสุชาติเรายังไม่ได้ส่งให้คุณสุชาติใช่ไหมฮะ sorry
ยังครับ
โอเค we will send today ครับ we will send today after meeting we prepare already.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Building B, right?
Yes.
We focus on building B, the phase 2.
Building B and building C,
sorry.
right?
Okay, we assume that we will have the information from Triarch by today. Okay, continue from the Triarch visit on site last week that we have F&B designer involved with the survey and make conclusion. We had issued the minute of the kitchen and the laundry facility to you all for information. In case that you have any suggestion, please let and reply that email. Especially for Triarch, I assume that Kun Suren made a lot of presentation and suggestion during his visit. It's been applied to that minute of meeting because we have 2-3 meeting together here in the same issue, and we had made that try to make a summary from all meetings into 1 minute of meeting that we issued. I assume that we will have P49 on this call, but not coming yet. Because we need to talk with him about the F&B in progress, whether we have the advice to proceed in which area first or second, so we can make a revised master plan. Currently, we under preparation for detailed master program to discuss with the hotel and the owner. After we had workshop with the construction site team, and now we have certainly scheduled for the building C only. We try to expand into the whole project. So in the case that the designer have suggestion in any detail, so we can adjust and proper make the accuracy to the master plan. The next issue is about the B-Lift that we had discussion on the first design presentation last week in detail of the mock-up room. I don't think we have other new information from B-Lift currently, except what the design involved with IC RCU, which we discussed a little bit with some question that what RCU we will make conclusion and use. Currently, we have to make decision to make the procurement for the mock-up room. In this case, I may set some email and issue to B-Lift and P49, including the designer like a bit to suggest what we can make a conclusion as soon as possible.
Yep, Sucha, I already have a meeting with Plum last week on the design of the lightings together with her proposal. The way I look at it is RCU is required, for all the guest room due to, they have all this dimming in the guest room, and then the mode, like, the relaxed mode, the atmosphere mode. So I think RCU is almost required for all the guest room.
ครับ at least we try to prepare the first fix in the mock-up room on site.
Yes.
Process.
This is why I told Kumplun as well. She should propose RCU first, at least for the mock-up room. Later, when we do value engineering, I'm sure we come to that stage, and then we can decide later on. At least give the owner, give our core operator a feel of a full configuration of the guest room. Later, we will discuss about the DE. All right.
For next issue about the graphic and signage, could please do you have any information to inform to our meeting?
Now I have already have a official contract from PPC ครับ and I need around 2 weeks for the first concept presentation
ครับ I mean you can make the presentation but you still wait for the contract or what?
presentation just for the concept first
Yes
around 2 weeks
คุณวิทย์ถามเลยก็ได้ครับว่าต้องการอะไรนะครับ
เดี๋ยวผมขึ้นไปก่อนทำขึ้นมาก่อนก็ได้ครับ ระห
ใช่
ว่าง
ใช่ดีที่สุดเลยครับ
ครับ
คุณพีทต้องนำเสนอก่อนแล้วก็เราก็ตกเป็นเข้าหาไอ้ตัวที่ทางเจ้าของคาดหวังไว้ประมาณนั้น
ได้ครับ
พอจะนัดได้ไหมครับ Can you make the appointment when we can have a call presentation for the graphic design
around 2 weeks
from now
from now ครับ Tuesday 24 ครับ
24 okay we set the meeting for presentation on your next design meeting in next design meeting we will see your presentation okay นะครับ
นี่ครับ
So for Cookie Dynamo, the guest room, the mock-up room guest room, you also have to help me on this, especially on the room signage, the numbering signage, all these design.
โอเคครับ
ก็ได้รับโจทย์ไปแล้วนะครับยังไงก็ฝากคุณพีทเตรียมตัวตรงนั้นด้วย
ได้ครับ
ก็นำเสนอตามมออัพรูมนะครับ
ได้ครับ
Okay, next issue we had outstanding concept they design about the Thai restaurant that's still under F&B designer Rusol. So we expect Rusol will return with the recommendation on next design meeting as well. Because they expect to have 2 weeks to prepare for concept. Kun Sekon, can you suggest what or when we can have the design detail for the mock-up room and the F&B design conceptual?
For the mock-up room, now we are speed up for the mock-up the wing C. Yeah, last week I'm go to site and to see have many problem of the MEP. Yeah, for the air condition, the sanitary and electrical. Yeah, and now today we are adjust the room layout at same on the site condition, and I think today I can issue the layout of the wing C first. Yeah, and maybe target for end of this week I will to finish the draft presentation with the perspective and elevation some draft for share Accord and คุณประพินครับ for the mock-up room wing C.
So you will have the mock-up room layout to be informed today, right? And further detail will be on end of this week.
Yeah, right. ครับ And the
One
mock-up
question
room wing,
for- Yes.
sorry, interrupt. For the mock-up room wing A, I am based on the architect drawing is the existing, not anything changing. I can go with the concept design after the finish the wing C. Okay ครับ please คุณสุชาติเชิญได้เลยครับ
We have the question today from side meeting this morning. about the minibar. Question from Birit to prepare the scene of the lighting in the minibar, and also we waiting for the RCU make conclusion. Do you have any detail to work with Birit about this at the moment?
Yeah. For this morning, I have a for tech and for the inline application with Kun Namphung Bilit, and I'm promised her is this evening I have some sketch for adjust the midi bar, and I send to Kun Namphung for coordinate the lighting within today ครับ
Good. We need to make conclusion for the first week working on site. Then we will prepare the conduit and box and behind the minibar.
Yeah, okay ครับ in the actually is in the power outlet and location is at same our layout, but only shape and some detail of the shell a little bit is more it I adjust is smaller and match to site condition because it on site condition is very tight and the space is not enough for like previously designed ครับ โอเคครับ
So you can work out on the detail with Birit and Mit to issue this within what timeline?
Yeah. For I think maybe in this evening I can send to Bilit first, and if coordinate back and forth, maybe tomorrow can issue is some detail for mid. Yeah.
Okay,ครับ That's great. Okay. In I go back to Mit. Whether Mit can have any progress of your work to report currently? Ê,มีโปรเกรสไหมครับเต้
อะไรนะครับพี่ขออีกทีหนึง
มีโปรเกรสไหมครับตอนนี้
ไม่มี
progress
ครับ
ของงานครับ
ครับ
Sayag, do you have the progress to present to everyone? คุณสุเรศครับ คุณสุกรีครับ
Today we don't have any present ครับ we just talk with คุณสุเรศwe will study. We agree with the on site for back of house and building E.
Okay, in the topic of the triad, next Friday we will have a meeting. I think we will present and discuss again in the next Friday. โอเคครับคุณสุปรี
โอเคครับ โอเค รับทราบ
ครับ
ครับ
So we can go back to pre-architect. Not on the call yet. Yeah. ไม่ใช่pre ไปโหได้
วียืนยัน
ไม่เข้า Okay, so I have to jump to the other issue. We have coming to the tender issue, which currently we still gather all the drawing from designer and specification for preparation the tender package. In this case, we expect that we will get all your tender package from what you already make presentation and approve to issue to the site team, the project team as soon as possible. And other issue for me to inform you, currently we have issued the project directory update from a few information added, and also Kun Kuma already informed about some people in the directory change. I assume we will have some more few from you all. Please return or reply email about this issue as soon as possible, as I make a timeline within next Monday. I plan to issue the update project directory to you all. That is up to the information you reply. Do we have? Oh. โอเคครับ คุณประพินครับ คุณประพินมีหัวข้ออะไรเพิ่มเติมไหมครับ
ณขณะนี้ยังไม่มีค่ะคุณสุชาติ
ครับ
ยังไม่มี
คุณ
ค่ะ
เจครับคุณเจ do you have any suggestion?
No, I'm waiting for information. That's all.
โอเคครับ คุณแอนโทนี you have any suggestion?
I'm okay. I'm okay with this meeting.
คุณ
So
เนีย
is
นิ
P49 joining or not? P49?
P49 is not on the call yet.
So
P19 ยังเข้าอยู่คุณก็ยังอยู่ต้นทีไปก่อน
ครับว่าไงนะครับว่า
ฮัลโหล
ครับผมว่าไงครับ
เมื่อกี้ใครถามเจเท่าที่ทราบเมื่อกี้คุณเจถามถึงทาง P49 คงจะเรื่องเกี่ยวกับดีเทลของม็อกอัพรูมแหละครับเพราะว่าเมื่อกี้เราก็ได้คุยไปแล้วว่าดีเทลทาง P49 จะสรุปให้สิ้นอาทิตย์นี้ใช่ไหมครับ
ใช่ครับใช่ครับ
คุณเจ P49 confirm that he will issue the detail of the mock-up room within the end of this week. Do you have any other item?
no. So the mock-up room is the design is well, obviously we need to see and confirm. And will there be mock-up room? And how
Yes.
do we? Okay.
Yes, AJ. If you don't mind, I can jump on this.
Sure.
So AJ, the P49 at the moment, they are still working on the mock-up room, but in general, we already saw the first round of the design. I think you are in the call as well during
Yeah.
the presented.
Yeah.
So from there onwards, they will start with all the drawings, providing all the shop drawings, working drawing for the contractor to build. So I think what is happening right now in building C is all the demolition work, preparing for the
Correct.
contractor, the fit-out contractor to come on in. I don't think that fit-out contractor is on board yet. So right now it's just demolition work. Once they are
Yeah.
done with demolition, the interior fit-out contractor will come ahead and to build the mock-up room. So from there,
Okay.
for a small room like this, you're looking at least 3 weeks, minimum 3 weeks to complete the whole mock-up room. But then you will still have your furniture, for example, your mini bar. These are all customized. So I assume those will take a bit, like at least a month to source
Yeah.
for all these furniture, carpet, for example.
Sure.
So all in all, I think you're looking at least 2 months maximum. If you are lucky, we get it in one month, 1.5 months.
Yeah.
So this is the normal procedure to get the mock-up room, and then followed by DTS will come on in together with Yannick as well. We'll do all the inspection and all those kind of things.
Yeah, I'm okay with this. I'm just trying to put my mind together to see how and when will we start able to sell. That's the only point. That's all.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
โอเคครับ I think we run through all the issue we prepare from the last meeting. If anyone have another new issue, please test. No one have the new issue. Okay. Unless we have any new issue, I think we can give this call. Anyway, we try to update all the information and issue to you all in each meeting, and let everybody try to present all your progress. In this case, I assume more presentation or more question or detailed design to be discussed in this call. Next.
Hi, Kunsi Chart. It's Yannick. I just have one question. So I understand that Green Architect will present further landscaping this week. P49 will present mock-up room after last week's call at the end of this week. When do we expect the first presentation from Blue Salt?
That's the question supposed to get from P49 first. I call this previously. I talk about this with P49. Kun Sakon, do you have any program for Blue Salt? They work with you.
Now I'm waiting for the Blue Salt program and brief to send to us, but now nothing the update from Blue Salt.
From their visiting last week, Kun Yannick, they informed that they need about 2 weeks to prepare their summary and make presentation. I assume next 2 weeks is our design meeting, which Cookie Dynamo will present their progress, and I assume Blue Salt will prepare the presentation under the name of P49 as well.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you.
Welcome. In the question about Green Architect, we have made appointment with you all in this Thursday, 10 p.m. 10 a.m. in the morning. We will have the presentation from Green Architect. Please join the call.
Yep, noted on that.
Without any new issue, I propose to finish this meeting. เคนะครับ see you in next 2 weeks and according to previous other talk earlier thank you very much ครับ everybody
Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you ครับขอบคุณครับ
Thank you.
ครับ
ขอบคุณครับ สวัสดีครับ